Hello. Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Huggett, and my son,
Archer.
and we're going to show you how to play a really simple math game to practice your double-digit addition with a deck of cards. So Archer and I went through and we took out all of the queens and the kings and the jacks.
And the tens.
And the jokers, right?
Mm-hmm.
Did we leave in the aces?
Yep.
How much are the aces worth?
1.
Awesome. So what we're going to do is we shuffled this deck of cards. We only have the number cards, ace through 9. We're each going to get how many cards?
4.
We each get 4 cards. We're going to arrange those cards into two two-digit numbers. So, should we do an example for them?
Yep.
Okay. I'm going to deal the cards to Archer. He gets a 5. I get a 6. Archer gets an 8. I get an ace. Archer gets a 9. I get a 6. Archer gets a 2. And I get another ace. Ooh. Okay. I have 2 aces and 2 6s. So what I'm going to try to do is take these 4 cards and make them add up to as close to 100 as I can without going past 100. So I can switch them any way I want. I can use my 6s in the 10 spots, I can use my aces in the 10 spots for 110, or I can switch them around. For example, if I do a 6 for my 10 spot and an ace for my 10 spot, there's 61. Now, if I add another 61, I have 1 plus 1 is 2, 6 tens plus 6 tens is 120, ooh, it's 122. If you go over 100, you have to subtract every point that you get over 100 from your overall total. So Archer and I usually play this 10 times to see who gets the most points. So will you tell the camera what your combination was with your 2, 8, your 5, and your 9?
Mm-hmm. I had 28 and 59.
And what did that equal out to?
87.
87. So Archer added those up to 87. He's going to put 87 as his score right now if we were starting. Mine is going to be, I'm going to do 16 plus 61, which is going to give me a total of 77. So that would be my first hand. Good? Mm-hmm. Okay. We add to or subtract from our total score every time. We continue to play until we have all 10 rounds finished, and then we total up our score. Check it out.
Okay.
So you just had what?
86.
So you had 47 plus 39 is 86.
Mm-hmm.
Archer's score last round totaled up was 474, so he's going to add 86 onto that. My score on my cards was 29 plus 89. It was the smallest number I could make, which means that 9 plus 9 is 18. Carry the 1. It's 118. So when I write this down, I'm going to write, there's my cards, so I'm going to write 29 plus 89 equals 118, and because I got over 100, I have to subtract 18, because that's how many more over 100 I was. Oof. So I borrow a 10 here, 14, 6. That's 6 minus 1 is 5. 456. So the score is 560 to 456 with 460 with 1 round to go. Now might be a good time to talk about sportsmanship, because old Archer here just pointed out that he doesn't think that I have any way I could win. However, if Archer got all 9s, 99 plus 99, how much would that equal?
198.
And he would have to take 98 away from his score. So what we're going to do is we're going to give out the last 4 cards, we're going to total up our numbers, and then we're both going to shake hands and say, good game, because we're just doing this for
fun!
All right, are you ready, buddy?
Yeah.
Here we go. Yes! Archer gets a 9. I get a 4. Archer gets a 2. I get an 8. Archer gets a 2. Dang, I get a 5. Archer gets an ace. I get an 8. So So I'm going to do... Guys, the lowest numbers I can make are 48 and 58. That's going to total me out over 100. I'm going to lose points on this round.
And I gained 50.
So, I guess I'll do my math. 48 plus 58 equals 106. So that means that I have to take away 6 points from my total because it's 6 over 100. I end up with a final score of 450 after 10 rounds in this game.
And my last score is 610.
Who won?
Me.
And this is where we shake hands and we say,
Good game.
good game, well done. We should play this game?
Yes.
All right. Archer and I started this game playing double-digit addition numbers. I think next we'll probably go to 3-digit numbers, and then after that we may go to multiplication on these cards. If you're at home and you have someone you want to play a game with to total up your points, start with double-digit or start with triple-digit, or get real cocky, start with 4 digits into the thousands. Add up all of your points. This is a great way to practice borrowing. It's a great way to practice carrying the one. Can you stop? You're being super distracting. And playing cards are also a great way to practice multiplication. This is Mr. Huggett and his absolutely oddball son saying, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.